All right guys, we have a John Deere tractor here and the seat's bad. I was able to take it apart and actually put together a lawnmower seat to replace it, but it's not permanent. So if I bought a John Deere seat, I could actually replace it. And I can show you how to do it. It's pretty simple, stick around. Had this thing outside for a few years. I actually had it for quite a while now. You see the nice little rig job we got on it. Let me show you why. So with all that off there, that's the problem. Dumping all kinds of rust. The bar that runs across here on both sides has rusted out. So when you sit on it, the backrest just falls completely back. So I'm gonna take this off, take it completely apart, get to the frame, and weld up some new brackets for it. Let's get into it. Right there's my fine, genuine John Deere seat. Sit back and relax, because you're going all the ways down. You're gonna take it apart the rest of the way, get all the fabric off, the liner and everything, and expose the metal frame. We'll see what we're working with. All right, down here in the lawnmower graveyard, let's see if we can harvest the seat for the tractor. A bunch of bugs on there. Fast little ants. I think this is gonna be a good one for taking. It's adjustable, and looks like it's only got 4 bolt locations, so I'm gonna move this. I'll just unbolt that. I think that is 8. Everything's an 8. Everything. To hell with that. All right, we're gonna pack up here, go back to the tractor and see how this works. All right guys, well that is it. If you need to get a custom made tractor seat placed on your tractor just to get the job done, because I know the original ones from John Deere can be pretty expensive. And if you have just a little bit of ingenuity and maybe a welder, you could probably save yourself a buck and just buy an old lawnmower seat, or if you have an old junky one laying around like I did, get it done for free. But the video you're seeing right now is just an older one, just because clearly I'm missing a tire at the moment, trying to get some new rubber on. Trust me, having an old farm tractor, it's pretty hard and challenging at times, because you'll find the oldest T-post with tires. And how do I know? That's how you know. Frustrating, but definitely happens. So be prepared for that. But definitely don't be too discouraged, guys. Just remember that you have to keep at it and see. Anything, you can make something improvised and make it work, and it'll function just the way you need it to, because I'm at the same height as I was before for the clutch, the pedals, everything. It's all at the same place. So if you're cheap like me, you could do this too. I definitely want to show you how to do it. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below, and I'll answer as many of them as I possibly can. If you guys are feeling intimidated by something like this, you really shouldn't. If I can do this, you absolutely can, and I believe in you. So thank you guys so much for sticking around. I appreciate all the love and support. Make sure to sound off your comments down below. We'll catch you guys in the next one.
Okay, great stuff!